Go down together.
I know. Walking it together.
Wait for me.
Hi family, hi again. Just a quick video about Springbrook. I know that we've taken mum there, we've taken mom there. I know you guys didn't do the whole walk, but we did do the whole 4-kilometer walk with Andy and Angie. And we really hope that this little video brings back some pleasant memories of Australia for you. Can't remember if we took Derek and Tracy. You'll have to let us know. Anyway, enjoy. Love you.
We went up to Springbrook for a little visit to Twin Falls Walk, and it had just been raining, so the water was running really well. We had a very good day out there.
The whole track is about 4 kilometers. You go straight down the escarpment and you walk through this beautiful rainforest, through and over many waterfalls, and then straight up the escarpment again. This is the second big waterfall. It's called Blackfella Falls. I'm expecting that they will change that fairly soon because it sounds politically incorrect. And you also have to walk behind this waterfall, and yes, you get wet. Bye family.
Bye, family.
We love you so much.
Yeah, see you
All the
again.
best for the whole of the year. Bye.
Bye.